Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to print boarding pass on Airasia. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Launch on a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Airasia. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Airasia. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to print boarding pass on Airasia. Now, for you to get your boarding pass, you need to check in successfully. How do you do that? From this homepage, head over to the top of your screen where you have App Play, Purchases, Check-in, Flight Status, Supporting Promotions. Now click on Check-in. Now that's going to take you right into the check-in window. Add your booking or PNR here and add your first or last name. Now, where can you find the booking number? Check your confirmation mail. And after doing that, go ahead and copy your booking number from there and paste it here. Then enter your first or your last name and click on the Start Check-in button. Once you've gone through the step-by-step process to check in and you've checked in successfully, then you're going to find your boarding pass. Now, it's much easier for you to get the boarding pass on your mobile app. So once you've done this, you can download the Airasia app on your mobile phone. And after doing that, and you've checked in successfully, you will see that your mobile boarding pass is going to be displayed on the home screen of your mobile app. And this is what the boarding pass looks like. So how do you access your e-boarding pass? Your e-boarding pass will be displayed on the main page of the Airasia Move app once the check-in process is completed. So after doing that, check the home page and you'll see your boarding pass that looks like this. So click on the boarding pass, and just right under the boarding pass, you're going to see this option that says share/download boarding pass. Now click on it to download the boarding pass. After downloading the boarding pass, just take it to any computer or any printer and just follow through the process to print using the computer or just using the printer anywhere. So just click on download and go ahead and print from there. This is how you can print boarding pass on Airasia. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.